Introduce Microtic CRS326-4C+20G+2Q+RM. More offices, studios, and other professional environments are making the switch to the fast and reliable 2.5 gigabit standard. So we wanted to create an affordable solution that could be at the heart of this ever-changing landscape, making your life easier, saving your budget, and offering extra flexibility with excellent port density and additional ultra-fast fiber interfaces. The new CRS326 offers all that and even more. There are 20x 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, 4x combo ports that can either be used as 4x additional 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports or as 10 GSFP plus interfaces. And on top of all that, there are 2x 40 gigabit QSFP plus cages for ultra-fast fiber connectivity. Practical and future-proof. The mighty Marvel Prestera switch chip that comes with a dedicated CPU can handle all your daily tasks without breaking a sweat. VLANs, jumbo frames, link aggregation, ACL rules. You can even do some layer 3 routing, dual redundant power supplies, and an extra 100 Mbps Ethernet port for management purposes will save you a lot of troubles in the long run. And we've included everything you need to secure this marvelous switch in a standard 19-inch rack mount. Thanks for watching.